Hello guys, welcome back to our Forex Trading Live beginner session. My name is Leo and I still remain your guide. Okay, so as I promised earlier on our previous session, I said this session is going to focus mainly on analysis. Okay, and for you that have deposited, we are going to look for trades to place, okay, so that we can make money. Okay, so let me just get to my screen. Okay, I hope we can all see my screen now. So like I said in my previous video, in our previous session, I said I like to take my trade from the 4-hour time frame. I make my analysis from the 4-hour time frame down to 15 minutes. Sorry about that. Excuse me, guys. I just want my screen to come up, okay? So that we can start our business before we run out of time. If you fund your account, get ready because we are going to make magic. Let's make this money together, okay? And if you haven't funded, please make sure you use the banner below where it's displaying deposit. Click on it so that you can deposit. You can fund your account right now. And if we have the opportunity, you can also place a trade order. Okay? You can place your order and make the money with us. Oh yeah, sharp, 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 sharp. Go and deposit. Go and deposit. Okay, so my screen is up now. Let's start our analysis from USD JPY. Come on. I don't know why this keep getting closed. So let's just restart the app. Let me restart my app. Okay. So we have the 30-minute time frame here right now. Let's switch to the 1 hour and let's see what's going on in the market from 1 hour time frame. Sorry for the delay, guys. I don't know why this is lagging. Okay. Think we are in business. Yeah, let's see what is happening in this market. Okay. So I think there's a bit of a reversal from this market because it's been coming down, and we have, you know, as I've explained from the earlier session, I said um, a point where the market keeps juggling around, pausing and then reversing is called a level, which is either a resistant level or a support level. Okay. So the way I'm seeing this market right here, right now, we have a level. Okay. So, but I want to show you something before we draw the level. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. We want to see what is happening in the 4-hour time frame before we place the trade. Okay. I told you I trade from the 4-hour down to the 15-minute time frame. If you haven't found your account, for you that haven't found your account, you see while we are still on it, you still have the chance to go and fund your account right now. Okay, fund the account. So when I drop the signal, you can just place it on your own trade also. Okay, I just want us to place the trade so that we can, continue our discussion. Okay. Okay, so the market has been going up from this level up onto this level. Okay, before it started to switch down. So right here, as you can see, let me just draw the box on what I'm seeing right now before I continue to explain. Okay. Okay, maybe I should just restart the whole of this thing. So because I don't understand, I don't know why this keep uh, getting hung up. So let me just restart the whole application. Okay. Sorry guys, please just bear with me for a moment. Okay. So we were on USD JPY earlier. I don't know why every time I try to put it on the vertical line, on the landscape rather, it just keep hanging. So let's try it one more time. If it doesn't work, then we use this chart, okay? Okay, so let me just draw this line out from here, and then let's see what's going on. Okay, okay, guys. Oh, I think my screen is okay now. So let me just draw this box out, and then let's see what is going on in the market, okay? So let me just drag this here to this end. Oh, sorry. I double tapped on it. Okay. Okay. Sorry about this, guys. My app keeps messing things up. Or maybe I should just use the frontal view, because it seems like Every time I try to use the landscape mode, it just keeps hanging. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so um let me try and drag this rectangular box we have here. Sorry, I think I double tapped on it again. Okay, okay. So let me just use this because the other one is messing things up. Okay. The reason why I actually want to show you this is because I already saw a reversal on this USD JPY earlier. So I want to show you before the market start to reverse actually. Okay. So maybe I'm just going to type it out for you guys to see. Then we can actually place our trade. Okay. Okay. So the price is going to come back down to. I'm waiting for our price to get back to 1.45 145.295 before we place a buy trade. Okay. Sorry about this, guys. So when the market gets to that point, it's almost there right now. So the market got to the point before, but we couldn't place the trade earlier. But it's going to go there again. Okay. So when it gets there now, we are going to place our trade. That is our live trade for today. Okay. Then after placing, we can now talk about the position that we've opened. So since my other system is not operational, let me just share the screen, my screenshot with you guys, okay? So I'll be able to explain with the screenshot, then we take the trade, okay? So please just bear with me for a moment. Sorry about this, guys. I'll just send my screen in a moment, and then you see what we are waiting on. Okay. Sorry about this, guys. This isn't how I actually planned it. Okay. Okay. So I think it will be better if I just share my slide with you guys. Okay, so I already taken the screenshot of the market. Okay, so that it won't waste our time, and so as not to waste the opportunity that we've gotten. Okay, so let me share the screen with you guys now. In a moment, and here we go. Okay. Okay, so this is what I was waiting for in the main in our chat earlier. Okay, so the market already touched it. Let me see if we can enter now. Okay. Okay, so let's set a buy position on our trade. Okay, set a buy position on USD JPY. So in case you don't know how to set a buy position, let me just show you using the app. So I'm leaving the slide right now. Okay, set a buy position like this. Click on your buy here. Click on your buy. Okay, so if you have a small account, I'll advise you to use a small lot size. Okay, use a small lot size and always set your stop loss and take profit. Now 0.10, this is what I'm using. Okay, now I want to set my stop loss and take profit. Then I click this button here. Okay, you see when I click it, you see what popped up. This is my SL and TP, which is stop loss and take profit. So we set this so that in case the market goes against us, we don't lose much. Okay, so now let me show you what our stop loss is. Okay, so our stop loss is 145. So just enter it as I'm calling it. $145.295. Okay, and our TP take profit, that is 145. Okay, we are placing order for buy, not sell or buy. Okay, so we want to buy now. We want to buy, so we are buying. Okay, click on the buy and this box will pop up. Okay, now enter this SL that I've entered. Okay, enter the SL and the TP, which is our take profit. Our take profit is 145.145.295. 145.746. Okay, so now I'm leaving this for you guys to see. Okay, set this exactly the way I have set mine. I'm using the lot size of 0.01. Okay, for an account of $100. So if you are using $10, $15, $20, up to $100, I'll advise you to use 0.01 the way I've used it here on my own. Okay, so I'm placing my buy now. So I'm buying. You see, I've placed mine. Okay. Okay. So the market is not taking us in. Oh, sorry. I don't know why my screen is not refreshing, but my trade is already placed. Let me just go back, okay? You can just place the buy position, then we set TP as the market is running, okay? Okay, so for us setting the TP, our TP is 145.746. We are buying, okay? And then our SL is 145. Let me retake the SL again. Okay, so our SL is 145.075. So let me just write it out here, okay? For all that I've placed the order. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to enter it in case you don't know how to enter it. I just need this to restart for a bit. Okay, so our market is USD JPY buy, and our take profit, which is the TP, equal to Our TP is 145.746, and our stop loss, which is SL, is 145.075. Okay. This is just for a short while, okay? So our market is already running, okay? So we are already in profit. I'm already in profit. Like I said, closing the trade depends on your it depends on you, okay? So if you are okay with the profit that you are getting, you can actually close your trade, okay? But we have a TP. It's not necessary that you allow your trade to get to the TP before you start closing, okay? So we are already in massive profit. We are already in profit. The market is going our way. Don't worry, I'm going to show you my screen now. I just need it to come back up so that I can share, okay? So if you've already opened your position, you should be in profit. You should be in profit now because I'm in profit. Okay. Let me share you a screenshot of my profit before my screen comes up again. So when my screen comes up, we're going to be looking at the trade from the screen, okay? But for now, please just bear with me, guys. So this is my profit, guy. Our analysis was okay. We are already in profit. This is $1.26, okay? So you see, your profit depends on the amount of lot size you are using, okay? So I'm using the smallest lot size. That's why my profit is like this, okay? So, and I'm doing this because of newbies, okay? I don't want to use too big lot size. And then they will be like, ah, Leo, you were the one that we are using the lot size that you are using, okay? So you can just use for our, maybe our other trades, you can use a lot size that suits the amount you are having, okay? That suits the capital you are having in your trading account. So I'm using the smallest lot size, okay? So all of this is just to make an example for you. So we are already in profit. The market is still going our way. So just bear with me for a moment. I want to bring up my screen again so that we can see the live market. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we are in profit. Okay, so let me share my screen with you guys now. My screen is up and working fine now. Okay, so as you can see, this is dollars flying. Okay, so what I want you to do now is, if you haven't deposit, please go and make a deposit. Okay, I don't want us to be making money and you will just be looking or trading from just demo. Demo is not a bad place to start from. Okay, but on this platform, we want to be earning money as you are learning. Okay, we want you to earn money, so go and deposit using the banner, deposit using the banner below. Okay, so after deposit, when we have our next signal, we might likely have another signal before the end of this session. Okay, like I said, it's not a must that you must wait for the market to get to the TP. Okay, I can just decide to close my trade right now. Okay, it doesn't matter, it just depends on you. If you think you have enough, if you think you've made enough profit, you can start closing your trade. Okay, if you have multiple trades, you can actually close one and leave another one right now. Okay, we call it break even. Okay, because in trading nothing is 100%. Okay, one moment you are making profit, another moment if you are not guiding your profit, you might start to lose. Okay, and we don't want that. So we want to always make profit. We want to see the grains. We don't want red. Okay, so now that the market is running, if you have multiple positions, I'll advise you to close few and leave others to run. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, I have two positions running. Okay, I'm using small size because I want you guys to see what I'm doing. Okay, look at, this is a real account, it's not a demo. Okay, this is a real account, look at it. You see, this is a real account. Okay, and my profit is still running. So I can just close one of those trades now and leave the other one to get to the TP. Okay, in forex trading we call this break even. Okay, we call this break even. This session is just to show you how the live trading is done. Okay, if you deposit money into your real account, this is what you are going to be making. Okay, in fact you can make more than this. This is just for you guys to see. Like I said, I'm using the smallest lot size. Okay, I'm doing this because of us that has maybe up to $15. Okay, we don't want to risk too much. Okay, so please guys, make sure you deposit so that you can make money with us. Okay, guys. Okay. Our market just shoot up. Okay, so now I'm going to start closing my own trade because I'm okay with the profit that I've made. Okay, so if you think you are okay with the profit, you can close your trade also. As for me, I'm okay with my profit right now. Okay, so I'm going to trade. I'm going to close. You see, I've closed one. Then I'm going to close the second one. We call this protective measure. Okay, what did I say? We call this protective measure. You want to protect your account. Okay, the market is almost at TP right now. It's almost at TP. So if you haven't closed your trade, the market is still going. Okay, I closed it because I'm just trying to prove a point to you guys. Okay, so the point is, if you have enough um profit already, you can start closing. Okay, it's not a must that you allow the trade to get to the TP. Sometimes the market will not get to that particular point we've set, and then it might just decide to change. Okay, so that is why I always advise anybody that is a beginner, unless you have maybe another experience, when I give the TP, maybe there's another place you want to reduce it a little bit. But as for me, this is how I trade. Okay, once I have enough profit, I want to start closing my positions. Okay, and I'll advise you to also do that, because anytime we have a signal, the very moment you start to make your profit, don't be too greedy. Okay, I know some of us are out there that, when you make $3 from the $10 account, you make up to maybe like $3. You are not contented with $3. You want to make 50% of whatever you're depositing right away. Come on, guys, it's not as easy as that. Okay, so let's go to our market. Let's look for another market. We already used the USDJPY. Okay, so let's go to our Euro AU XAU USD, which is our gold. Let's see if we can find another opportunity there. Okay, so guys, don't worry. I told you we're gonna make money together. So if you haven't found your account, please go and fund your account. If you haven't funded your account, go and fund your account. Start funding your account right now. Start funding right now. Because on every session, this is what we are going to be doing. Okay, so we are going to be using one session. We're going to be using one session for training and the other session for taking orders on the market. Okay, for placing orders. So go and fund your account, please. Fund your account so that the next time you can also make profit the same way we've made here today. Okay. Okay, so I wanted to see if we have an opportunity, but the market seems to still be around this zone. Okay, so there's a zone here, and this is trying to tell us that it's as if we want to break it because we have a long candle here. Okay, so I told you every candle in the forex market, they are always trying to tell us something. Okay, so they are passing some certain kind of information that we don't want to miss out. Okay, so what this market is trying to tell us now is this long candle. Let me go back to my chart. Sorry. Okay, so this long candle now is trying to break this level. As you can see, there's a zone around this level. Okay, there's a zone around this level. How is there a zone? Because when the market came to this level, it keeps jogging. Okay, it first of all jogged from this area, this particular zone. You can see my cursor, right? So when it got to this point again, it went up again. Okay, so now it got back to that same zone again. So it might likely break this zone for this last time. Okay, and when it's done breaking the zone, it's going to close below it and then come back to retest it. Okay, so if I think we still have a little bit of time, if possibly the market breaks and closes below it, we are going to set a sell limit. Okay, we are going to set a sell limit so that when our market comes to retest this, we are going to start selling. Okay, you see what I'm saying? You see, it's a long candle, it's a long candle and it's still breaking. See, guys, I don't have to keep telling you this, okay? I don't have to keep telling you this. You've seen enough proof yourself, okay? Go and deposit. Deposit at least $15. When you deposit up to $15, you'll be getting this like every day, okay? You'll be getting this for every day, okay? So what I'll be doing is I'll be dropping at least 3 signal in the VIP group every day, okay? So imagine you using, this is just one signal for today. Okay, this is just one signal. So imagine you got 3 of these today. How much do you think you're gonna make in Nigeria if you convert this to Nigeria currency? How much do you think you're gonna make? So you see the beauty in forex trading. Okay. So and on this platform, we are not just learning how to trade. Okay. Okay. So we still have more time, and possibly we would take another trade before the end of our live session. Okay. So if you haven't made a deposit, go and deposit now. Okay. You see the market I just showed you now, the XAU USD. Look, this is the same market we sold yesterday that gave us almost $4 here. Okay. So it's the same market I'm still waiting for right now. Let me show you what is going on. I'm waiting for the market right now. So when it gets to that point, we are going to buy. Oh, sorry, we are going to sell rather. It's already breaking out as we saw just now. Okay, you see, it's already breaking out. Okay, but we need the candle to close below. Okay, so when it closes below and then we have, a confirmation that this market is coming to retest here, we are going to place an order for sale. Okay, so if you haven't deposit, try and deposit. I think you still have about maybe 15 to 30 minutes, okay, before this candle closes, because this is a 30-minute time frame. So try and deposit as soon as possible. Go and deposit this up. Okay, our market has already TP'd, which is our USDJPY. Okay, so if you were still in the market, if you didn't close when I closed, the market just TP'd. Just take profit. Okay, so it will automatically close your profit for you because we already set it. Okay, so congratulations to us. Our first market is a profit. Okay, it is positive for us. If you were lucky enough to take the trade, congratulations. You've just made yourself few dollars. Okay, so this is the market we are waiting for right now. Go and deposit, guys. Go and deposit. Deposit. Let's trade this market together. Okay, so our XAUUSD is not actually, there's no opportunity on it for us right now. So it's a ranging market in the higher time frame. Okay, I was on the 30-minute time frame earlier. You know, I told you. So this is why it's very important. Sorry, excuse me. This is why it's very important that whenever you want to place an order, when you get to your forex chart, the first thing you want to do is you want to check from the higher time frame. Okay, so I went to my 1 hour now and I saw that the market has been ranging for a while now. Okay, so this is a ranging market. Now nobody wants to trade a ranging market. We have a high here. Okay, we have a high here. This is a ranging market. It just broke out of a ranging market, so we don't want to trade is an we call this a sideways market. Okay, we call it a sideways market. It's a market that is supposed to be, you are not supposed to trade the market. Okay, when you see a sideways market, you run away from it. Why? Because the market is yet to make a decision. What I mean by yet to make a decision is we have a high here, we have a low here that hasn't been broken. Okay, so unless the market gets to this point and then trying to come back down, that is when you are placing your order for a sale, or it gets to this point, this support zone. Okay, it gets to this zone and then you are placing a buy position, but for now it's still in between. Okay, and now that it's in between, we don't want to open any position. So I hope we are getting my point. Okay. Okay, so let's see if we can get another opportunity from another market. Since this isn't working out, let's look for another pair that we can trade. Okay, because I want those that hasn't found their account, I want them to be jealous. If you haven't found your account, I want you to be jealous. So I'm going to keep dropping more signal, more profitable signal that they are going to be making money from. If you're not depositing, you just be seeing the account. You just see other people that deposited. You will see them growing their account. So go and deposit at least $15. Deposit $15 and then start making money. Okay, so let's look for another market. Let's come to the forex market. We can also use, we can also trade the crypto also. Let's even look at the crypto. It doesn't matter if you are trading the forex or the crypto or metals or even indices. Okay, all the financial assets use the same technical analysis. Okay, so we use the same support and resistance level. Okay, so you want to draw out your resistance zone or your support zone. okay, which is also called the demand or the supply zone, as some of us know. See, okay. So you want to draw out those levels. Then when you draw it out, you want your market to get to that point. Once the market gets to that point, you want to sell or you want to buy. Okay. So if your market is in the resistance, if your market is approaching the resistance zone, what are we going to do? What are we going to be waiting for? We want to sell. Okay. When your market is getting to the resistance, is approaching the resistance zone, we want to sell. Then when it's approaching the support zone, we want to place an order for a buy. Okay, it's just as simple as that. And it doesn't matter the assets you are trading. You can use the technical analysis on any market. Okay, USDT, BTC, Doji, USD Max, TRX. It doesn't matter any market. Ethereum, USDT, BNB, any market at all. You can use the technical analysis on it. Okay, so let's use BTC USD for example. Let's see if we have any opportunity on BTC USDT, okay, so that we can also place trade on it. Okay, so this is our 1 hour time frame, and as we can see, we also have a ranging market here. Okay, today hasn't been the best day. Today is Friday, so the market is going to close today, and some of our assets are misbehaving. Okay, so this market is in a ranging mode right now. So like I said, anytime you see a sideways market, you can call it a sideways or a ranging market. So anytime you see such market, you are supposed to run away from it. Trust me, guys, run away from it. Okay, because most times it doesn't end well. So the market you are looking to trade, the market you are looking to place an order from is a market that is either touching a high or touching a low. Okay, so you see this ranging market clearly on the lower time frame. So let's go to 30-minute time frame right now so that you can see the chart clearly. Okay, let me go to the 15 minutes. It looks a bit rough. Okay. So this is the 15-minute time frame. We are seeing this because we are on the lower time frame. So the lower time frame is always decisive. Okay, so if you don't want to be deceived by the forex market, by the financial market, always go to your higher time frame. Okay, so you'll be able to see the market from there clearly. So when you go to a higher time frame, you know where the market is going. If the market is creating a higher high or a higher low. Okay, so when the market is creating a higher high, it means we are on uptrend. So you'll be seeing something like this: a low, a high, this is a high. Okay, we have another higher low, then we have another high. You get another higher low, and then another higher high. Okay, so that is it for an uptrend market. And then if the market is coming down, you'll be getting a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, another lower high, then a lower low. Okay, so it keeps going on like that. Okay, but for this market now, as we saw earlier, okay, so as we see the market here, look at what's going on here. As you can see, this market is in a ranging mode. What did I say a ranging market is? A sideways market. Okay, so the market is trying to make a decision right now. So it's hung. Okay, so you see between this line, this price right now, he's trying to make a decision from this price line. He's trying to know if it should go up or if it should go down. So you as a trader, those are the things that you need to take note of. You don't know where the market is going right now, so you don't just want to jump into the market and decide, oh, I think this market is going up or it's coming down. We don't know where this market is going right now. So what you want to do is you want to have patience. Okay, so patience is very important in forex trading. Okay, so you want to have patience for this market to make a decision. Now, the decision that the market is going to make is what you, a trader, is going to follow. If the market decides to comes down and break break out from this ranging market, okay, if it decide to comes down to this level, okay, you can come to your higher time frame or maybe go to a lower time frame like 30 minutes, okay, mark out this zone. So when the market gets to this point, then you can trade from it, okay. So BTC USDT is a no because it's ranging sideways. So let's go to another asset. Let me use Meta for example. I just want you to see, okay, we trade Meta the other time. Okay, sorry, we've already looked at XAUSD, which is good. Yeah, gold is under Meta. It's an asset under Meta. Okay, so for the forex pair, we only have the currency pair under the forex pair. Okay, so we only have the currency pairs under the forex pair. So the cryptocurrencies also, they are under crypto here. Then we have the meta, the gold is under metals, then we have the indices. Now this indices, this is Nasdaq 100. Okay, we have the US crude oil, we have the crude oil, then we have the US 30, which is Dow Jones 30, okay, as most people call it. Then we have the SP 500, okay. Those are USA assets, those are USA companies. So and they are very, very, very volatile. So what I mean by volatile is if you want to trade them, in fact, I don't advise you to use your $10 on such accounts. Okay, because if the market goes sideways, if it goes against you, it's going to liquidate all of your capital. Okay, so we need a bigger amount to start trading this. Say maybe like $100 account. Okay, I can trade this because I have up to $100 in my account, so I can trade this. Okay, but if you're having around 10, 15, even up to 50, I don't advise you to trade the indices. Okay, and then we have the stock also. So we have Tesla, we have Amazon, we have Apple. Okay, so those are under the stock market. But I'll advise you for now, stick to either forex, crypto. Okay, so those are assets that are tradable with small account size. So if you're depositing around maybe say $15, you can trade any of these assets. And we have so many of them. Okay, we have so many of them. Look at this. We have so many of them. Okay, so you can't even finish trading everything. All you have to do is just select the few that you want to trade. Okay, then we have the crypto also, and we have a lot of assets on crypto also. You see, we have crypto, we have the Litecoin USDT, we have the ADA. If you're familiar with the cryptocurrencies, so you can trade the cryptocurrencies also. We have the Doji USDT here. Okay, this is Doji trading against USDT. So you can also place order if you find any position in any of those cryptocurrencies using your technical analysis. Okay. Sorry, I think I've clicked this. I've clicked this. Let's see what is happening. Maybe see what they happen. Maybe God want make I close, make I click on. Oh, the market is also raging. I think this is happening for most of our crypto assets. Okay, so it's not every day we see opportunities in them also. So they are just like the forex pair also. Okay, so like I've said, if you know the technical analysis, you know the fundamental analysis, you can trade any pair, you can trade any currency. Okay, you can trade any asset in the financial market. Okay, so let's go back to the forex pairs since we couldn't find any opportunity in the cryptos. So let's go for which one should we open? Which one should you open? Okay, let's check Euro JPY. I just love trading the major currencies. Okay, the currencies of a country with a very good economy. So we call these major currencies. If you'll be following me from the onset, which is from our first live stream, you will understand what I mean by major currency pairs. Those are currency pairs of the advanced world, okay, the advanced countries. So this is our 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's going on. Okay. So our Euro JPY isn't good looking. Let's go for, oh, let me even show this pair. Um, it's a good pair too. Let's see what's going on around there. So let's see if we can have a landscape view so that we can get a better view. Okay. Okay. So as we can see, the market is approaching a previous support. Okay. Let's see if our market is going to reverse. So let me just quickly draw our rectangular um, shape. Okay. Remember the way we used to draw it on any of our support or resistance. So just for us to just know if the market is actually reversing or not. Okay. Okay. That is our 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the okay. So this is our 30 minutes. What we want to do here right now is wait for this market. This market is still inside our zone, okay? So we want this market to break out of this zone, okay? Then if we find an opportunity, we are going to place our order. So good for us. We still have few minutes before we end this live session. So during this time, I think we can actually look for another opportunity. Okay. Okay, so you see this market, I really don't know if we should be taking this market because we have a descending triangle here that is telling us that this market is still in downtrend. So let's go back to our 4 hour time frame and see if what our 30 minutes is showing us is actually right. Okay, so yeah, it's a downtrend market because the market has been creating a lower low. Okay, so we have a low here, we have a high here, we have a lower high here, another lower high, another lower high, a lower high. Okay, so now we haven't gotten any change of character. Why? Because this high here is not yet broken. Okay, so I'll still consider this market as as a downtrend. Okay, so let's go back to our 30 minutes. Okay, so now this downtrend here, what we want to wait for is for this market to get to this point. Okay, and then we place a down position, which is a sell position. Okay, so when this market get to this point, we want to sell. Okay, because that is what our 4 hour time frame is telling us. Our 4 hour is trying to tell us that this market is still going down. Okay, so until we have a change of character, this market is still, what I mean by change of character is a reversal. Okay, sorry, I'm using a forex term, I'm using an ICT term. Okay, though in forex we have a lot of terminologies, we have terms, different terms that we use. So if you are not a forex, uh, if you are not a pro yet, those terms will be very hard if I keep repeating myself using such term. So let me just use the easy one that we can easily understand. Okay, so this market, until we can start looking for a buy position, that is until those low here. Okay, we have a low here, we have a high here, we have a lower high, another lower high here. So until this lower high here, until it gets broken, we are still in the downtrend. Okay, so when this market come to this level, we want to see what is happening. Is the market going to go down or is it going to break out? Now, if it breaks out and then retests this, it's definitely going to go up. Okay, but that because it's already that's a um change of character. Sorry, I'm still using change of character. That is a reversal rather. Okay, that is a reversal for us. So if it breaks this high, this lower high, if it breaks it, if this market, this current market here, if it comes like this, then goes above this line, above this price action. Okay, if it goes above it, maybe got to this point, that means we have a change of market. Okay, market is trying to reverse. Now if it reverses, what we'll be looking for is a retest to this trend line, and the market continue to go up. Okay, but if it gets to this trend line, then it give us a rejection, which is a reject candle. Then we want to place an order for a sell. Okay, because the market is still in downtrend. Okay, so while we are waiting, if you have any question that you want to ask me, now is your chance. Okay, if you have any question at all that you want to ask, please go ahead and ask right now. If you have any question at all that you want to ask me, please go ahead and ask me right now. Okay, and while we are waiting for this market, if you haven't made your deposit, please go and deposit on your real account. After you deposit, if I place this order, we're going to make money with it together. Okay, unless you don't like money, but I'm sure we all love money. I love money, so I'm sure you do too. So if you know you like money the way I like money, go and deposit in your real account. Okay, deposit in your real account, guys. Deposit. Let's take this trade together. This is the second trade we are waiting for. We already took the first one, and it was a profit for us. You see, my sorry, let me just take this back. Okay, so I see somebody is asking what the rejection candle looks like. Okay, so let me try and show you what the rejection candle looks like. Just a moment, please. Let me show you what a rejection candle looks like. I want to show you with an image of it, okay? I don't just want to show you something that you will not understand. Okay? Okay. Okay, so there's an important information that I want to share with you guys. Somebody asked the question and said, what does a rejection candle looks like? It's a beautiful question, guys. It's a beautiful question. Okay? So now, this is a rejection candle. Okay? This is a rejection candle in Forex. Now, look at this. Remember our resistance and demand zone. Okay? This is our support and resistance zone. Okay? So this is what a rejection candle looks like. Okay? A rejection candle is when a price is trying, look at it. The market was trying to break here. Okay? But the body is below. Okay? We don't have a closed body here. All we are seeing here is a candlestick. Okay? Those are those are wicks. Okay, or you can also call it shadow. You know, I told you I like to call it sticks. Okay, so if assuming we have a close of a body here, these are the bodies. Okay, these are bodies of our candle. These are bodies. This is a body. Okay, this is another body. This is a body of a candle. This is a bearish candle, and this is a body. This is the body of our bearish candle. This is a bullish candle, and this is the body of our bullish candle. This is another bullish candle. This is the body. Look at this candle. The body is very small. Okay, the body of this is also very small. So what this is showing us is a perfect rejection in the market. Okay, this is a price rejection. All of these are price rejections. Okay, but this is the most perfect one. So what this is showing us right now is telling us that this market cannot go up. Okay, it's going to continue to come down. Okay, so this is another example from a support zone. So this is for resistance because the market was trying to break out and continue to go up. Okay, but this is from a demand zone. This is a support zone. Okay, so the market was actually coming down. The market came down to this level. Okay, it came down to this level. He wanted to break it down, but he was unable to break it. What happened? The market rejected. So whenever you see something like this, we call it a rejection. Okay, where the market fails to break. You see, this is a perfect rejection. This is also a perfect rejection. We have a small body and a long wick. Okay, small body and a long wick. Look at here also. We have a small body and a very long wick. A small body and a long wick. So those two, they are perfect rejection candles. Okay, they are rejecting the zone, which means they are saying no, 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 no. We can't push further. We need to go down. Okay, so this is also saying we can't push downward. We need to go up. Okay, so this is for resistance. This is how it looks for resistance. Okay, and this is how it looks for a support. You know, support is a place where we want to place an order for a buy. So assuming this is a real market right now, this is a perfect example for a buy. If I see this type of setup in my own forex chart, I want to start buying from this zone. Okay, immediately I see this and I see this. This is a perfect setup. Okay, the market is telling me that no, I'll start going up in any moment from now. Okay, so anytime I see this kind of setup, I want to place a buy trade. Okay, and if I see this same setup from a resistance zone, I want to place a sell trade. Sometimes, let me tell you something. It's not necessary that you must see about 4 candles the same way it is exactly like this. Okay, so it is not necessary that it must be up to 4 candles. Sometimes it's just even 1 candle like this. Okay, but how you are going to tell if it's a strong rejection pattern is it is happening in a resistance zone. Okay, and again it has a very long wick, which is the stick, and a very small body. Okay, so when we have something like this, it means the market is going to reject. Okay, and that is what we were waiting for in our market. So we want to see a rejection. We want to see a rejection. So let me quickly share our um, trading app screen again so that we can look at the market together. Okay. So for you that asked the question um, about the rejection candle, I hope you understand now. Okay, it's a very beautiful question. I like that. Okay, so those are the kind of people I like. You know, ask questions. Ask questions. We are here to learn. Okay, if there's anything you don't understand, just ask me, and I'll answer you. I'll reply you. Okay, please. And don't forget to deposit. Deposit in your account. Let's trade together. Okay, let's make this money together. Okay. Okay, so our candle is still going down. which means we can't place a buy order for now. Okay. So the forex market is big for all of us to make money from. Okay. Your money doesn't affect my own, just as my own doesn't affect your own. Okay. So deposit in your account. Go and deposit, guys. You see, this is the trade we took just now, and it was profitable. Okay, it was profitable. So assuming you have up to like $15 in your account right now, you would have started trading the same order. Okay, you would have started trading the same signal rather. Okay, so this is another beautiful question from uh, another person. What can market? What can make markets change? Okay, it's a beautiful question. Okay, okay. Then the second question: when do we have a bearish and bullish engulfing? Wow, I love this. I love this, guys. I love this. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Please let the questions keep coming in. Okay, let the questions keep coming in. Now, for us to have a change in market, in the market direction. Sorry, let me take us back to um, our previous charts. Let me see. Okay, okay. So I want to use this as an example. Let me just bring it up. Okay, so for you that asked the question about how can a market change. Let me see. Okay, so for you that asked the question, what can make market change? Okay, so see, many things can make the market change. Okay, it's either maybe the direction the market is going earlier. You know, if you've been following me from the beginning of this live stream, which is for today, I mean, if you are on the first live stream, sorry, I made mention of something in the live stream. I said before a market direction can change, there's what we call the bearish and the bullish. Okay, now the bullish, they are the buyers, while the bearish are the sellers. Okay, so if you have your support zone, which is where the market is going to reverse. Okay, let me use this as an illustration. We have this support zone here. Okay, the support zone, for you to know the support zone, the market must have made a rejection from such zone before. Okay, and why did the market make such decision? Why is it reversing from such zone? Because there are a lot of buyers around that area. Okay, I hope you are getting the point. Market is decided by buyers and sellers. Okay, so whenever we have a buyer that is more than sellers in a particular place, in a particular price point, the market is going to reverse from such place. Okay, so let's assume in this zone now we have a lot of buyers, okay, that wants to buy. This is USDJPY. Okay, this is an example from previous market. Okay, so we have a lot of buyers here that wants to buy the market. Okay, so when this market get to this point, okay, sorry, this is the market we took just now. Why did we take the market? Because that zone, there are a lot of buyers there. Okay, so the market want to reverse and go up. Okay, I hope you understand now. The market want to reverse from that zone and go up. Why is it reversing? Because there are a lot of buyers around such areas. So anyway you see a market reversing, it's either maybe there are a lot of buyers there or there are a lot of sellers there. Okay, and I hope this answers your question. Okay, so for the second question, when do we have a bullish and bearish engulfing? Now, for you to have a bullish and bearish engulfing, it is when the market is trying to reverse. Okay, let me use this slide again for our example. It is when the market is trying to do what? When the market is trying to reverse. Okay, so now bullish and bearish engulfing, they are like confirmation for us. Okay, they are confirmation that okay, yes, this market is reversing. Okay, so those are the confirmation. You know, I said every candle is sending us an information. Every candle form is giving us an information. Okay, every candle is giving a detail. It's telling you what is going to happen next in the market. Okay, so now how do I know this market will reverse from this point? How do I know? Look at what happened previously when it touched the support zone. Okay, so when it touched the support zone, we have a bullish engulfing candles. Those are two bullish engulfing candles. Okay, as you can see, bullish engulfing candle, they are always longer. Okay, they are longer and they always want to overpower, they want to overshadow the previous candle. Okay, now the previous candle here is a red candle. Okay, we have the red candle, which is the bearish candle. Then we have the bullish engulfing. We can use this as a bullish engulfing candle. Okay, this is a bullish engulfed candle. Okay, it doesn't matter if the whole body didn't close. Okay, this is another bullish engulfing pattern, engulfing candle. Sorry. Okay, so it doesn't matter if the whole body didn't close. Okay, so whenever we have the bullish engulfing candle in a reversal point, it is another confirmation for us that this market is going exactly the point or the direction we are predicting. Okay, so I saw this candle here earlier before I placed this trade. I saw the bullish engulfing candle. That was why I said I want the market to come back to retest this zone before we buy. And what happened? When it retested, we bought from that specific zone that I've predicted earlier, and we made profit. The market is just as simple as that. Okay, so I hope I answered your question. If you have any other questions for me, please, we have just few more minutes left. Okay, so if you have any other question, let me know. And if you haven't deposited, please go and deposit. Okay, if you haven't deposited, go and make your deposit. Deposit at least $15 so that you get into the premium group. Okay, so on the premium group, like I said, you have access to the premium signal, market report, and more. That is if you deposit up to $15. Now, these premium signals, just like the one we drop on our live stream just now, the one we made profit from just now. So we are going to be dropping same signal. We are going to be dropping, like, it's not going to be just one like the one we drop on the live stream. It's going to be like maybe 2 3 in a day. So imagine how much we made from the live stream and imagine how much you can make being inside the premium signal channel. Okay, so imagine making $3. Okay, I made $3. I made almost $3. Okay, I made $3 plus from this live market that we took just now. Okay, so imagine I have another trade like that, like 3 times in a day. How much do you think is that? You see, if your calculation is right, that is 3 times 3. Okay, I'm making $3 in 3 times. That is $9. So that's how we calculate profit in the forex market. It's not as if losses won't come. Okay, but we are here to learn how to manage our losses. Okay, we want to have profit, not losses. I don't think anybody wants to go into a business that they will keep losing. Everybody wants to make profit. Okay, and that is what we are here for. So the money you are depositing is not for me. The money you are depositing is for you to trade. Okay, for you to make money while you are learning. So guys, please use the um use the live stream banner below, the deposit banner below. Use it to click on it and it will take you straight. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, so if you click on that banner, it's going to bring you here. Okay, Let me just bring this up for us. It's going to bring you here. It's going to bring you here. Let me just take those that we don't need out of it so that they won't confuse us, okay? So if you click on that banner, on that deposit banner you are seeing on the live stream, if you click on it, it's going to take you straight to this place. Okay, it's going to take you to bank transfer. Okay, so when you are in this bank transfer, you want to click on it, click on the bank transfer, and it's going to take you to deposit. Okay, so here you are supposed to enter the amount that you want to deposit into your account. How much are you depositing? You are depositing $15. So just enter $15 here. Just enter 15. It's going to give you the equivalent in naira. Okay, so once you are done, click on deposit. So that is after entering the amount you want to deposit. Click on deposit below here. So when you click on deposit, it's going to take you to this screen. It's going to take you here. And mind you, it's going to show you this warning before it takes you to this screen. So this warning, look at this. I now read this warning. It says the deposit information is valid for one time only. Please do not transfer multiple times or else your deposit might fail. So what this means is that this account details generated here is for one time use only. Okay, so after using it for once, don't save it. Okay, don't save this account details. It's for one time use only. How I do my own deposit is after I make my deposit, if I want to make another deposit, I want to restart the whole process from the beginning again. Okay, and I'll advise you to do the same. Don't save the account details, guys. Don't save the account details. I don't want anybody to come on live stream and be saying, I tried to deposit yesterday, but I haven't seen it. Okay, because they already want you here. Follow instructions, guys. Please follow instructions. They already want us here. They said the deposit information is valid for one time only. That is, if you use it now, don't use it again. So anytime you want to make another deposit, go back to that first, to this place again. Okay, this bank transfer where you are seeing the bank transfer. Click on that banner from the live stream. Click on it again. That is, maybe you made your first deposit. Maybe you want to deposit $200. Then maybe your first deposit was $15. Then you decided on depositing another $185 to make it $200. So maybe when you click the banner on the live stream, what it was showing you was when you clicked on it, it brought you to this page. Then you deposited $15. So when you deposited $15, when you entered the $15 here, you came to this point, you click on deposit, it took you to this warning, then it took you to this page. You copy this account, you made payment. After making payment, you click I've made payment. Okay, when you click on I made payment, you are paying the exact amount that is showing here. The amount, the amount that you've entered. Okay, when you enter the amount in dollars, it's going to give you the equivalent in naira. Okay, as you can see, I entered 11 here and it's giving me 8,250 equivalent to $11. Okay, so if you have entered the same amount, the amount that you want to enter, if you have entered it, it's going to give you the equivalent in naira. Now, if you have the equivalent, what they are saying here is enter this equivalent, enter the amount that is showing on your own. This is my own. No, don't enter my own. Enter the amount that is showing on your own. Now, when you enter it and transfer to this account details, come back here and click on I've made the payment. Okay, so now when you click on I've made the payment, then you now remember, oh, it was $200 that I wanted to deposit, so I mistakenly deposited $15. Now you want to deposit 185. Abi, now come back again, come back to the live stream again, click on that deposit banner again. Okay, so when you click on the deposit banner, it's going to bring you back here. Okay, you are repeating the step for the second time because you want to make another deposit. It's going to bring you to this bank transfer again. Click on this bank transfer and it will take you straight to where you are going to enter the amount that you want to deposit. Okay, now you've entered 185,000 naira. Okay, then you want to click on deposit. then it will take you to this account details again. So it might be another account details because you are doing it for the second time. Okay, that is why we are saying don't save this account. The company is telling you don't save their account details. Okay, so they will be generating different account details for your own security. Okay, they are going to be generating different account details for you. So copy the new account details that they've generated for you and send the 185,000 naira inside it. Then come back here and click I've made the payment. It's just as simple as that, guys. Okay, please don't forget, do not save the account details. It's for one time use only. Okay, so we are coming to the end of our live session for today. If you have any question at all, you are free to still ask me. Okay, if you have any question at all, you are free to still ask for now before we go offline. If you have any question at all about what we discussed today, about the trades we've taken, or about the position that we've opened, or from the previous session, maybe there's something that you still don't understand, you can ask the question here. Shout out to those guys that asked this question. Okay, so I think I hope my answer was helpful because we are here to help each other. Okay, we are here to help each other. You are asking me the question and I'm answering the question. That is helping each other. Okay, so if you have any other question, please feel free to ask me. If you have any question at all, now is your time. If you have any question, now is your time, guys. Ask your question before we go offline. Okay? Ask your question before we go offline. If you don't ask your question now, our next session is going to be on Monday. Okay? Our next session is on Monday and we're going to communicate the time. Okay? So if you have any question that you want to ask, please use the comment section below and ask your question. And if you haven't deposited into your account, make sure you deposit into your account now. Deposit into your account. Money making is a motivator. Okay, if you are making money, it will motivate you to be serious with whatever it is that you are doing. Okay, so deposit at least $15 into your account and get into the premium group so that we can start dropping the signal for you guys. Okay, so if you deposit up to $200, you get into the premium group, access to premium signals, market report, and many more. Okay, and you get to have a private trading class with me, a 1 hour session private trading class. Okay, so on the trading class, you can decide whatever you want to say, whatever you have on your mind, whatever, maybe where you are lagging in trading, maybe you already know how to trade the financial market, but there are still some things that you want a professional to look into for you. Okay, so deposit up to $200, then you have the chance. Okay, so we have about 4 minutes to end this live stream, guys. If you have any question concerning the deposit, please feel free to see ask. Okay, we still have about 4 to 3 minutes before this live session is ended. Okay, I hope we all know how to deposit on our BtcDana app now. Just use the banner below where it says deposit. Okay, use the banner below to make your deposit so that the next class you won't be left out when we are making money. Okay, deposit at least $15. Okay, deposit at least $50. So I get you into the premium group. Then you have access to premium signals, market report, and many more. Okay, and if you deposit up to $200, you get into the premium group, access to premium signals, market report, and many more. Then you have the chance you get the chance to have a one-on-one private trading class with me. Okay, a 1 hour private trading class. So in case you are an intermediary, you already know what forex trading is. You have the analytical knowledge, but you still don't know how to, maybe there are some things that you need to show a professional. So I'm always here for you, but you need to deposit at least $200. Okay. So I think we've come to the end of this live session for today. Since you don't have any question, I'm going to end the live stream now. I'll see you guys on Monday. Okay. I wish you all the best and enjoy your weekend. Okay. So next week, let's make